But Ranveer Allahbadia, you've been on his podcast, I think, a couple of times. And
just once.
Okay,
yes.
Once. And, he made
Abhorrent.
a statement.
Absolutely. Distasteful.
Distasteful.
Yes.
But being dragged to police stations to answer questions.
That's the system. That's the law. Nobody questioned when I'm standing in court. I had 3 drunk men accost me while I was cabinet minister. I was in a car alone. It's a case which is currently in Patiala House for 10 years. They thought I was alone in the car. They couldn't see my face, they said. So for them, they said, if we had only realized that she was Smriti Irani, we wouldn't have done it. Which means these 3 drunk men, for a normal female, would have done God knows what. But they stopped because they suddenly realized it's Smriti Irani. So I went to court. And in court, as cabinet minister, I sat there while 3 men who were drunk actually had their lawyers stand in front of me and completely assassinate my character. I didn't wield the baton that I'm cabinet minister. I stood there, humiliated, deposed between the judge, the lawyer that was questioning me. I was questioned for 2 days in court. I didn't call any journalist to cover. You didn't know this.
And you have something to say about the justice system in our country, the manner it works, and
my responsibility as a politician is to keep hope alive in the judiciary. On these 2 cases, I speak from personal experience. I went to fight for my self-respect, and I'm still fighting. 13 years in court.
But you are
so those who think people in positions of power and constitutionality have this little button they can press and instantly all the gods from heavens will descend on people like me and give me fair justice, need a reality check. It is my responsibility to still, irrespective of what happened to me, keep people's hope alive in the 4 pillars of our democracy.
So you're saying it's a long, arduous journey for women?
Yes. I mean, if I was a quintessential politician, I would have taken those journalists who have been known to be extortionists, fed them a nice little meal, in some way made sure that I have friendships with them, done a friendly fire with the opposition in parliament so that I make the completely right noises, but go out for an evening dinner in Khan Market with them. I don't live that dichotomy.
You're not part of the Khan Market gang?
I am not part of any gang. If I was a quintessential politician, I would be a part of some gang or some camp.
Are you saying other people in your party do that?
No.
So who does this? Who are you referring to when you say extortionists, journalists are with them?
Wouldn't you love me to name the person?
Yes, I would.
No.
I would.
Go investigate.
And Smriti Irani speaks her mind. Why should
I do.
Yeah,
I do.
So please,
tell me which journalist.
Give us a hint.
Tell me which journalist has spent time for extortion. Come on, start naming.
The interview is by me, of you, so you please respond.
This is a democracy. It is by me, for you,
I'm the journalist here and you're the politician.
So why don't we throw this thing open? Let the journalists get questions from the audience. Name the journalist.
No.
No?
I'm not allowing this because
she's stifling voices. She's against freedom of expression.
No, I'm not against freedom of expression. I just don't want to pick up the tab for libel.
See?
So you think it will be libelous? What you may want to say?
I will only say this. No, I don't care about it being libel. If truth is libel, if truth has to stand in court for 13 years for justice, I'd rather be true, even if it's libelous. That's not the problem. The realities that we live in have to be reflected upon. And that's my statement. If Navika Kumar doesn't want to name them, why would you expect politicians to name them?